Hello guys, my name is Sagiruddin, and in this video I'm going to show you what are the three steps that you can take for your website to bring in Google search result on top. So you can take these three steps for your local business, whatever local business you are doing, even you are doing locksmith business or plumbing business or garage door business, whatever business you are doing. If you follow these three steps, your website is going to be ranked very fast. Okay, so let's dive into it. First of all, let me show you this website on Google SERP, and this keyword is really very competitive. Look at the keyword. It is pool builder frisco, and you can see that tropical and pools is on top of the list. So this is the page, this is the website. I implemented those three steps, and now this website is on top. So let's go to other cities for the same keyword like pool builder, and you can see that it is still on top. And let's see the other one, the Carrollton. You can see that this website is still on the first page. So and so on. If you see in Dallas, this website is still on first page. So pool builder Dallas, pool builder McKinney, pool builder Plano, you can see that this website is still on first page. So what I did, first of all, this website used to be on third page of Google. And then one of my clients asked me that I want to bring it on top. I went to the page. The first step I took, let me show you what I did. So first of all, I did on-site SEO on this page. Let me show you the page first. Here is the page. This is Pool Builder Frisco. So I looked at this page and I saw I completely changed this page with new images. You can see that there is new image. There are new images. And you can see the content. I updated all the content with the relevant SEO, on-site SEO. I added more images and I made those images SEO perfect according to Google recommendation. And I also added more and more content in it. I also added a video, and I also added some QA, question and answers. I also added map and information about that area, and then I added some comments of the clients, and then I used all the areas where my client works. So what it did, it showed Google that this page is very relevant to pool builder. I have steps written here. So I added new relevant images, I added more SEO friendly content, and I used on-site SEO techniques for H1, H2, and how you are going to use adjectives, how you are going to use different keywords and different keyword phrases. And then I created more section in it. So this page, before it was a generic page, it was old looking page. So I updated on-site SEO. So this is the first step for your website, for your local business website. If you want to bring on top, you must have to work on-site SEO. Then what I did, the second step I did, which is really important, look at it. So I converted this website into a franchise system because this website works like a franchise. So I converted it into a franchise system. Franchise system where you can implement different types of company on different type of pages on different type of keywords for multiple cities. You can see if I scroll down, there are multiple cities and there are also multiple locations. Like if you see contact us and Frisco, South Lake, so there are multiple locations within that areas. So this website is now dominating with pool builder with all these cities. So I converted this website into Gorilla Power, which is a franchise system. So because it was the need of my it was the requirement of my client that we have to use Gorilla Power for this franchise system. And what Gorilla Power does, Gorilla Power creates a page. It works like a mass page, but there is a difference between the mass page and franchise system. In franchise systems, you can have your multiple companies on different pages, but in mass pages, you can have one company in multiple cities. So this is a difference between mass pages and the local landing pages for franchise. So I converted this website into Gorilla Power. After that, uh, I mean, if it were a journal website, and if I had to make it as a mass pages for multiple cities throughout United States, then I would convert it using SEO Page Creator, right? So if you need a website for a franchise, you can use Gorilla Power, or if you need just a mass page, you can use SEO Page Creator. The third thing which I did is really important, which is citation building, because I was using offsite SEO. You can see here, this is offsite SEO. I was link building, I was making links, I was uploading blog posts. But what I did, which made it really quick in Google search, I did citation, and I used jump local for citations. Let me show you how jump local works for citation. And this is really important for your local business to to use citation, because citation, if you check most, this is the phrase of most, that citations help internet users to discover local businesses, and can also impact local search engine ranking. So this really impacted it, in local search engine ranking. Let me show you what it did. So if you go to in jump local, so what I did, I used tropical and pool zip, and I used my, so this zip is usually your address. So it actually is NAP, name, address, and phone number. So we have name, we have address, and we have phone number. So for the address, we have zip. So let me show you how it works, how citation works. And do not forget that I was using backlinking, I was using multiple offsite SEO, but when I used this jump local for citation, it really boosted my website. Look at, I clicked, if you can see that there are different directories, and if I click on start search, you can see, yes, so it is scanning, and it is finding all the citation links, and it also showing you the citations, that this is the page where your website is, right? So if it matches the name, address, and phone number, it brings up the result. So I used this company Jump Local for my citation building, and they did. I I could see everything that over here, and I can also see I have these links. I can click on any of the link, and it will take you to the link building where your website is already linked for the citation. Okay, so you can see that I have citation with the same Frisco result. And once I did Frisco results, I was planning to make it for Plano also, but after doing Frisco, Frisco was on top, but my all other cities were step by step. Those are coming. Those came on top in first page. Look at these all the areas. So this website is designed also very efficiently in Gorilla Power for mass pages or for franchise system. You can say, and look at any of the keyword, any of the city. If I click on Little Lamb, McKinney, Murphy, and you can see we are on Pool Builder. But if you click here, we are still on Pool Builder, but in little m. If you click on next tab, we are still in Pool Builder in Mikini. So these are actually internal link building with the same pages, which really made it huge in Google search. I hope you liked this video, and if you really want to bring your business on top, your local business on top, just do these three things. Let me repeat these three things. First of all, you have to convert your website into a SEO friendly page. Use more content, use more images, use more SEO friendly meta tags, SEO friendly headings, SEO friendly H1, H2s. So once you will do, and also do not forget to use question and answer also. Now, once you use question and answer, then use make it mass pages. Make it, if you are using a franchise system, then I would recommend Gorilla Power. If you are using general system and mass pages, I would recommend SEO Page Creator. And then the third step is really important, which is local citation using Jump Local. So Jump Local will give you, you just have to add your company there, and either you can, it is a monthly, very little fee. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to give your username, address, your name, phone number, and address. That's it. And that company will automatically create everywhere with the same username, with the same name, address, and phone numbers. And it will build a citation for everywhere your NAP would be same, right? So these methods, I would definitely recommend you to use these methods and make your website on top. I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna create another video for more better results. Thank you so much.